The Galaxy S25 Ultra, expected to launch in January 2025, is rumored to feature a fresh design with more rounded corners and softer edges. The new design is said to be complemented by updated software that enhances the overall look and feel. Additionally, the design improvements are likely to offer a larger screen and slimmer bezels for a more modern and streamlined appearance. According to the typically reliable tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a narrower body while boasting a larger screen. It's expected to have a width of 77.6mm and a 6.86-inch display. In contrast, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has a width of 79mm and a 6.79-inch screen. This means Samsung is set to provide a larger display with a more streamlined body, which is great news for users. The bezels around the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch screen are 3.35mm thick. In comparison, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its 6.9-inch screen, is expected to have bezels that are just 2.3mm thick. This means the new phone will have 31% thinner bezels, which should enhance its ergonomics and make it more comfortable to hold for extended periods. Ice Universe posted a tweet and said, "Are you slowly accepting this design now? I know you will definitely not be used to it at first, but considering the comfort of the palm, this is more reasonable." Ice Universe shared a photo in which he compares the design of iPhone 16 Pro Max with S25 Ultra. In another tweet, Ice said, "Although it is a little round, it is still very note compared with S20 Ultra and S21 Ultra." Ice posted a picture and said, "What is the biggest problem with the S24 Ultra design? The number one flaw is that the horizontal screen-to-body ratio is too low. The body width is 79mm, of which only 72.3mm is the screen, and the remaining 6.7mm is all the frame and the middle frame, which makes the hand feel full and difficult to hold with small hands. The width is even more urgent with a case, so I never use a case. The screen width is a little smaller than the S23 Ultra, and the practicality is really not good. The S25 Ultra is completely different. It has a narrower body than the S24 Ultra and a wider screen, which is an ideal design." Earlier reports have suggested that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, along with a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. The phone is also expected to come with a 5,000 mAh battery and support 45-watt fast charging, similar to its predecessor. Reports also suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by a 3nm processor, likely the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip with Qualcomm's custom Oryon CPU cores. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.